Hey, I'm Frida with WTI, and if you're looking to be amazed this morning but also save some money, I've got the kit for you. This is by Geesta. It's these little foil lids, a little brush, and this two-piece kit. Are you wondering what it's for? It is to replace the coffee pods for an espresso machine. So what I like to do is take the old coffee pod and cut the foil lid out, and then I just rinse them out and save them. And I have all sorts of different kinds of coffee pods, and I'm able to fill with my own coffee grounds and save some money in the mornings supporting my coffee habit. My reason for waking up is coffee, and because I have to take my kids to school. And this helps me get it done in the morning a lot quicker and save a few dollars. So you just simply put the foil lid on the top. It sets down inside this little black two-piece device, and then the top goes on and you spin it to adhere the adhesive all the way around the pod, and it works just like a regular pod. A word of caution, you do have to make sure that the adhesive is even all the way around, otherwise you might get some leaks, but as long as I'm applying it correctly, I don't get any leaks, and it still gives you that nice, delicious crema that Nespresso machines are known for. So be like me, save a few dollars, and still get your delicious kick of caffeine. And that's my point of view.